A Boolean is a data type that can have only two possible values, either true or false. You can think of a Boolean as either being on or off. There is no in-between with Booleans. To assign a Boolean to a variable, use variable name equals Boolean, where Boolean is either true or false. Do not use quotes around true or false. Remember that quotes are for strings. In this sample code on your screen, the first line starts with a variable named a_Boolean, and it's assigned the Boolean value of true. The second line and the second variable, the other Boolean, is assigned the Boolean value of false. Next, we print the first variable, a Boolean, and next we print the other Boolean variable. The output is displayed at the bottom of your screen. The output in this case is true, followed by false. The following 6 operators compare one numeric value with another and result in a Boolean. The double equal signs is the equal to comparator. The greater than sign tests for greater than. The greater than symbol followed by equals means greater than or equal to. The less than sign, of course, means less than, and the less than sign followed by equals means less than or equal. And finally, an exclamation mark followed by an equal sign is the not equal comparator. When you see something like 1 = 2, you can think, is 1 equal to 2? If the answer is yes, then it's true, and if the answer is no, then it's false. Let's run the numbers 1 and 2 through all 6 comparators interactively in the Python interpreter. First, we'll do 1 = 2. And we can ask ourselves, is 1 equal to 2? And the answer, of course, is no, so the value should be false. Let's hit enter and see what Python has to say about it. And indeed, the Boolean of false is returned because 1 is not equal to 2. Let's do 1 greater than 2. That is also false. 1 greater than or equal to 2 is also false. And we'll do 1 less than 2. So if we ask ourselves, is 1 less than 2? The answer is yes, it is. So therefore, the answer or the Boolean that will be returned is true. Let's use 1 greater than or equal to 2. And again, that is true. And 1 not equal to 2 is true as well. Boolean logic is used extensively in computer programming. The Boolean operators are and, or, and not. They can be used to compare two statements or negate a statement. Like comparators, they result in a Boolean. The AND operator evaluates to true if both statements are true, otherwise it evaluates to false. The OR statement evaluates to true if either of the statements is true, otherwise it evaluates to false. The NOT operator evaluates to the opposite of the statement. On your screen is displayed a truth table. This truth table demonstrates Boolean operators and their results. For example, in the top left-hand side, we see true and true evaluates to true. And at the very bottom of our screen, we can see that not false evaluates to true. Let's evaluate two statements with a Boolean AND operator. The first statement is 37 greater than 29, and it evaluates to true. The second statement is 37 less than 40, and it also evaluates to true. Let's look at 37 greater than 29 and 37 less than 40. That evaluates to true because true and true evaluate to true. Let's look at 37 greater than 29 or 37 less than 40. The result is true because true or true is also true. The not Boolean operator evaluates to the opposite of the statement. Let's look at 37 greater than 29. That is true. Not 37 greater than 29 is false because not true is false. The order of operations for Boolean operators is not, and, or. For example, true and false or not false is true. First, not false is evaluated and it's true. Next, true and false is evaluated and it is false. Finally, false or true is evaluated and that is true. To control the order of operations, use parentheses. Anything surrounded by parentheses is evaluated first and as its own unit. So the first line of true and false or not false is the same as parentheses true and false, close parentheses, or open parentheses not false, close parentheses. It's also the same as open parentheses, true and false, close parentheses, or open parentheses not false, close parentheses, close parentheses. Using parentheses not only allows you to get away with not memorizing the order of operations, but more importantly, it is explicit and clear.